In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView background. By the end, your chart will look exactly the way you want and be easier on your eyes for long sessions. First, open TradingView and make sure you're on a chart. It can be any symbol, the steps are the same. With the chart open, look to the top left and click the profile icon. This opens quick appearance options tied to your account. From here, choose Dark Theme. This switches the overall interface to a darker palette that many traders prefer for focus and reduced glare. If you see a toggle next to dark theme, turn it on. The change applies immediately, and you can always toggle it off to return to a lighter look depending on your lighting environment. Next, let's fine-tune the chart itself. Click on the settings icon for the chart. This gear opens the full chart settings panel where all visual options live. In that panel, select the Canvas section. Canvas controls the surface behind your candles and indicators along with grid and watermark options. Now, change the background. Use the color picker to select a solid color or gradient that suits your preference. Subtle midtones often reduce eye strain compared with pure black or bright white, and they help indicator colors stand out. If you know the exact hue you want, you can enter a color value directly. Adjust the opacity slider to make the background lighter or deeper without overwhelming the candles. You'll see a live preview as you adjust, so take a moment to find a balance that keeps price action clear. While you're in Canvas, consider lightly tuning related elements such as grid visibility and intensity to match your new background. Softer grids can keep the chart clean, while slightly brighter grids help with quick measurements. The goal is contrast that's comfortable and consistent. When your background looks right, simply close the settings panel. The changes are saved to the current chart layout and will load the same way next time. If you ever want to experiment again, return to the same Canvas section and tweak as needed. That's it. Open TradingView, use the profile menu to enable dark theme, head into settings, open Canvas, and customize the background to your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy trading on a chart that works for your eyes and your workflow.